OK， 而家教你畫太陽花，draw a sunflower。OK， by using pen pencil 就係。跟住咧，我哋點樣畫 ？How to draw sunflower 咧？我哋 first 咧 draw a circle，not a circle actually an oval 喺度。OK，draw an oval， 一個扁啲嘅 oval。And then also 啦，細力啲，唔好咁大力 ，lighter draw an oval really light。OK，just。跟住咧，我哋 draw another oval on top， 即係包住佢，即係 right over， 即係下面。OK， 我哋 draw another oval 咧，就包住佢 all over 呢個位啊 ，and oval another oval。呢啲 oval 係做咩？呢個 oval 係做咩咧？呢啲 oval 咧就係由個 petal 咧有幾遠咧，同埋個位咧係點樣去到邊咧？就 this is an oval for this is only a guide. Okay, we don't need that oval after, so it's really light. Okay. Okay. After this two oval 咧，我哋 try to make a cross in the middle like this, and then we start draw the petal.Like this， 我哋 from 呢個 edge going top to another oval you draw a petal 啦，咁樣啦。跟住 and then 我哋 another petal next to it。OK，another petal next to it. We start from the oval inside and then going back to the oval.Here, okay. Okay. And then this. 我哋一路咁畫落去，沿住個 oval 咁畫落嚟呢度 ，OK。細力啲又 really light, okay. We don't need to draw so hard right now. 我哋 just relax your hand and draw really light, okay.跟住我哋一路咁畫過嚟。OK。Okay, we have this, and then 咧，我哋好細力，唔係應該話畫咗個 circle in the middle. I mean an oval in the middle. 好細力嘅呢個 oval 咁樣啦。We will have this 係咪啊 ？OK，and then 我哋開始再畫嗰啲 petal。嗰啲 petal 咧唔係咁樣嘅，應該係 a little bit inside 啦 ，go outside and then go in this 咁樣。OK， 我哋畫得快喺前面俾你睇。OK， 前面嗰塊就係咁樣嘅。嗱，我哋 go within 啱啱嗰個 petal 你畫嘅，然之後 go 翻去 touch 你呢個位啦。因為佢嗰個edge 個 petal edge 係好幼好細嘅，啲個位好細，咁所以咧你 touch 翻你嗰個 petal 啦 ，go over and then go back，and then this go back 呢度 或者咁嘅形狀，跟住 every single one 你都係咁樣。呢度一樣啦，我哋可以由上邊開始畫啦。No matter where which way you want to go， 跟住你可以一路畫落嚟啦，一路咁畫過嚟啦。咁你一路畫落去啦。一路咁畫，係啦，一塊一塊咁畫啦。We don't need to exactly the same for every petal because nature 冇一個特定嘅形狀，但係佢有一個特定嘅規則。There's a rule, but there's no 呢個 form shape 係一定係一樣嘅，所以你知道 ，OK， 佢嗰個形狀大概 OK 係咁樣 go out and then go back， 呢度啦有少少 curve， 一個 curve 收翻佢啦，再翻轉頭，再入翻嚟呢度咁樣，OK。OK， 佢哋應該中間咧 in between this petal 咧，中間應該仲有一塊嘅，所以我就好細力再喺度再畫翻一個好似寫個 V 字咁樣，但係 curve 嘅。OK， 呢度啊，呢度啊，呢係 curve 嘅，呢度放啲少少啊，呢條 curve 嘅。嗱，呢去到上邊咧，個 V 字就調轉咗㗎啦。OK， 嗱，我哋畫完呢啲之後咧，我哋再好似啱啱咁樣，我哋再大力啲，即係大力啲將佢嘅 detail 畫翻出嚟先。你哋慢慢畫 ，draw slower，OK。OK， one more。OK， 跟住咧，我哋就畫中間嗰嚿，呢個花冧啊，我唔知英文點叫佢。總之咧，嗱，呢一條線，我哋好細力啊，我哋 form 好似 form apple 嗰個 shape 咁樣，我哋 form 呢個 shape。然之後 curve line in the middle，a curve line in the middle， 人哋呢度一樣 a curve line in the middle， 好似粒星星咁樣，你見到 curve line in the middle， 好似粒星，好似咁樣，我唔知點形容佢，好似粒星星。跟住咧，笠咗佢，跟住 and then 咧，你可以細細地咁樣咧喺側邊咧，咁樣畫呢條線，呢度一樣，呢條線，呢度又畫幾條線，呢度又畫幾條線。我哋畫咗幾條線先，咁樣，跟住呢度一樣啦 ，same， OK， 跟住我哋可以 leave it right here 啦，我哋可以跟住就輕輕 sketch 佢 a bit darker 喺個 outside 嗰度，即係 bottom 呢一 part， 上邊唔使啦。OK， 我哋有個咁樣嘅嘢先，跟住咧，我哋就 form 嗰啲 paddle 中間嗰啲紋啲咩？中間嗰啲紋啦，唔知咩咩嗰啲係啦，我哋就嗱，我哋放大啲去睇嗱。首先呢塊 paddle 嘅中間，你可以細細力畫一筆，然之後左邊或者右邊喺呢邊 curve 少少，呢邊又 curve 少少。我哋好 random 咁樣畫得佢，唔需要好一樣，好 random 咁樣。總之一條線向上，然之後就左右跟翻你個 paddle 嘅左右嗰啲 curve line 咁樣樣，睇唔睇到？咁樣樣，佢 curve 嘅話，中間就係 curve 㗎啦，知唔知啊？佢呢個位 curve 落嚟，就中間就 curve 落嚟，唔係 straight 嘅。OK， 跟住一樣啦，咁樣 curve， 咁樣 curve。我哋畫咗個主體先，畫咗呢啲 curve 翻先，跟住咧又係好細力，唔使太大力㗎。我哋陣間最尾咧，我哋 refine 佢嘅時候咧，我哋先至再重新有啲位要大力，有啲位可以唔要咁樣，你先至再慢慢 fine out 佢。其實出邊呢度都係可以咁樣咧 curve 佢，即係呢度 make sure 佢 curve 佢啦，即係呢啲一樣啦。外邊呢啲，因為佢冇入邊呢度啊嘛，所以你就係畫出邊啦。畫嗱呢度 only 係 OK 嘅，每個 paddle 有少少就 OK。跟住咧，我哋就 form 中間嗰啲seed 啦。嗰啲 seed 咧就其實係一啲點點嚟嘅啫嘛。咁你喺度一點一點寫一點點啊，圍住個外邊先 outside 嗰個。全部都向上動得㗎，你唔使跟住嗰個圓去圓嘅，全部都向上動。咁 random 啲啦，有長有短，同埋有高有低咁樣啦。唔好咁死板啦，有啲係可能多有幾粒黐埋嘅，有啲就一粒自己嘅咁樣啦。跟住你同埋有啲向左，有啲向右啦，全部唔好直啊。跟住咧，我哋繼續咁樣做 in the middle。喺呢個位，喺佢前邊又係啦，唔使it's not have to be totally straight every single line. You can like go a little bit another side, a little bit turning left or a little bit turning right. OK， 跟住咧你可以之後咧有少少 curve，a little bit curve is fine。awesome。跟住咧你就可以喺度加 in the middle 啦。OK， almost five， 即係 draw 咗個玫瑰出嚟，唔係下面sunflower出嚟。跟住咧，我哋就可以我哋 refine 佢，睇下邊啲位，你想要加多少少seed 嘅，咁你就可能再加多少少落去咯。跟住咧，我哋就 refine 佢，我哋可以 shade 啦。我哋 shade two paddle 同 paddle 中間呢啲位咧，你可以油黑佢 ，make it dark。OK，totally black。你 make it black 嘅時候咧 ，don't do this side，don't do sideway or other way。我哋 follow 你 paddle 中間嗰啲line 咧 ，paddle 中間嗰啲 line 咧，去慢慢油下佢，跟住咧，我哋就喺個 curve 呢個中間個 oval 嘅 outside 咧，我哋就開始 shade 啦。我哋 first shade the bottom part。 我用一條線咁樣整嗰啲 make it lighter，OK。我哋呢個 outside 呢度上邊一樣，好細力嘅 lighter，OK。跟住 and then 咧，我哋可以 do another way， 去慢慢畫翻個 circle 出嚟，I mean 畫翻個 oval 出嚟。呢度你可以啱啱未咁樣直線嘅，而家係可能少少 curve 啦。我哋 make 個 bottom part， 即係個 outside 個 curve 嗰個 oval 咧係細力，即係下面深色，然之後慢慢上面咧就係淺色 ，OK， 即係呢度咁樣深色、淺色，明唔明？跟住呢度一樣先。跟住我哋可以再將啲 paddle 咧，嗰啲 edge 咧 refine 少少咧，就將佢呢啲位啦 make it 有少少 shadow 咁樣啦，即係有啲少少漸變色嘅嘢效果咁樣啦，咁就會再立體啲啦。咁你就可以慢慢再 refine 你中間呢個 dot 啦，呢一個我唔知點叫㗎啦，呢個。跟住呢度啦，咁佢呢啲位 dot 嘅話，可能有少少深色嘅，有少少 shade 嘅，係淺色嘅。你再慢慢咁樣將呢啲位 refine 咗佢咯，即係邊啲位覺得唔好睇嘅 ，OK 就 make it finer 啦，你去令到佢 fine 啲 ，OK， 要求要高啲㗎，知唔知啊？唔好求其畫完就當係，即係 do the best you can，OK，try it， 跟住慢慢 refine 咗佢啦。盡可能咧，因為咧呢兩塊 paddle， 即係可能呢兩塊上邊嗰啲 paddle， 上邊呢一層 paddle 係搭住咗下低啲層嘅 paddle 噶嘛，咁所以佢搭住呢啲位咧，即係呢兩塊 paddle 嘅入邊呢個位咧，其實係會有少少深色啲嘅，因為光只能夠照到上邊，照呢度會有啲擋住啲光咧，頂住咗呢個 edge， 所以你呢啲 edge 咧就可以加深少少得啦，唔好咁深色。因為喺少少嚟講，你哋應該會好深色。係啦，你咁樣細力咁樣細力啲啊，知唔知啊 ？lighter 啊，張紙同你冇仇㗎。我哋細力將佢呢啲 edge 慢慢畫出嚟。你唔一定要一筆咁樣動起嚟畫嘅，你可以斜地咁樣慢慢掃咯。即係好似我支筆咁樣，我都係揸筆咁樣啫嘛。我向前、向後、向前、向後，係咪？咁跟住你就可以慢慢咁樣掃，係啦。將嗰啲 edge 邊啲位咧，你想 refine 佢好睇啲咧，你就掃得好睇啲，係啦。跟住最後咧。呢度啦，爭少少啦。最後咧，我哋加翻嗰支嘢啦，樹枝，咁樣叫樹枝。呢啲 咁啊畫翻落去俾佢。跟住點樣油咧？呢個咁佢最深色呢啲位通常咧點樣都係呢啲位嘅，因為花擋住咗啊嘛。個花擋住咗呢個光，冇光喎去到咧。跟住之後咧，我哋就再慢慢咧，一筆筆咁樣咧喺側邊呢度兩邊細力嘅lighter OK。跟住轉一轉支筆啦，咁樣啦。跟住你可以自己再畫多幾朵喺旁邊，咁一堆咁咧，咁幅畫就會靚啲啦。OK，thank you。